Here's a fruit for thought. Whenever you don't feel like doing something, just do something.
3 hours later.
Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to look like a basic person to a, oh girl, look at your face, girl. So in the first segment, I'll be showing you guys how to lay your edges. Everybody's been asking me off of Instagram, and I've asked you guys what you wanted to see. And this is one thing that everybody's been asking, is how to lay your edges. So currently right now I have, I already separated my edges part, like what I want to mimic my baby hairs. And what I'm using right now is the Remington curling wand, because I have the electrical hot comb, and it does me no justice. I just ordered mine myself and my hot comb online, so give me a break, okay? But what I'm just doing is just pressing it just to separate the hair that I'm about to cut off with my hair that I'm trying to leave back. So please guys, do not use this scissor, and I repeat, do not use this scissor. But I use this to cut the frontal portion of my lace, to cut, like, to do little jagged edges. But I couldn't find my scissor near me, and I was too lazy to get up and get my regular shears. But I'm just using it to cut the long pieces off. I had this wig for a few months now. I've been mutting it. I colored it. I did a patch color and everything. So I just colored it black because I was just like, I'm tired of experimenting. But right now I am just trimming down the baby hairs. And once I'm done, I'm going to be using mousse to lay it down and using a edge comb. So I'm going to just shut up and make you guys watch the remaining of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am going to have a mini fast tutorial to show you guys of how I beat my face so I don't think I look rusty all the time. But yes, thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate it. See you guys soon. So currently I'm using the Vigoro mousse on my hair. As you guys could see, I am scraping that bad boy onto my hair because I was just being mad lazy applying this, okay? So first mistake, as you guys can see right now, is that I just placed the mousse on top. I should have just placed it all on my baby hairs instead in order for it to stay. So you're going to see me just grabbing a whole bunch of mousse and just laying it on top. So just make sure you lay a lot of mousse onto your baby hairs, because it'll be easier for you to manipulate in order for you to style and wave your baby hairs. So I'm gonna use the Got To Be freeze spray on my edges just to lightly spray it. I'm not adding a lot of product and I'm not putting it directly onto my baby hairs, but I'm just using it for an extra hold. Reason why is because first of all, I stay in Miami, it's hot as heck, and I need my edges to stay because I hate retouching my edges. I don't care, like a lot of people like retouching it every day. Baby, I got no time for that. I just want to put you on, tie you down with my hair scarf, take you off, comb it out, and call it a day, you know? So you're going to see me just combing the product into my baby hairs, and I will be wrapping my baby hairs with the Crafted Queen satin hair ties that you can find online on my website that I'm going to leave below in the description box, and it's www.craftedqueens.com, and you can purchase your very own Crafted Queens hair scarf for only $15. So I thank you guys so much for the support, and please continue watching. So my hairline is secure and I know she's lifting. It's okay. So all I'm going to be doing is just pressing it in, and I'm going to be grabbing another scarf to place on top of my hairline before I go jump into the shower. So the reason why I do it is just for more of a security and also to help advance the curing time of the glue. Because normally like the glue, you're supposed to make it like cure for 24 hours. Prior to putting any products on it. I feel as if on my end, because staying in Miami, if you put something on top of glue, that thing's gonna slip off, okay? So I'm just doing this for extra security because I need the sides, especially my left side, to go down. My right side is perfect, but my left side, maybe because I'm putting this lace way too up close to my hair, like my eyebrows and stuff, but that's how I like my lace frontals. I talk too much, but yes. So I'll be quickly styling my hair. Since this is virgin straight hair, baby, the curls are going to stay a little wavy. They ain't going to be curly. So I'll be using the Remington curling wand to complete this look. And yeah. If you guys would like a full detailed makeup tutorial of how I did my face for the chocolate babies out there, just let me know below in the comments. And just let me know what look y'all want to see, because I don't know, like sometimes I feel as if I do the same look all the time. Like I found these lashes from the beauty supply store that were like $15, but these lashes are everything, yo. Like I love them. I love them. So the highlighter I'm showing you guys right now is the Dior highlighter. It's in the shade number 8. It just came out in their recent spring collection. It's like a rosy pink color. It's really nice. Like I love how it looks subtle on my skin. I low-key like it more than Fenty because like I don't want my face to look like I have like a grease stain or I dip my fingers in gold, and I don't got time for that, you know? So I like how my face, it helps me to be like, yo, this is how your face is gonna set once your oils pop up. So I'm just dusting it on, and I just love it. Look how subtle it looks, baby. Like, ew. so this completes our mini tutorial. I showed you guys how to lay your edges, and I showed you guys a quick makeup tutorial that was pretty sped forward, you know. But if you guys would like to see more, please let me know below in the comments section, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel as if I've been saying this multiple times today, but I really appreciate y'all and I admire you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the box of the lashes that I have in my eyes right now. It's called V-Lux by I Envy, which is also by Kiss. So yeah, I'm like super happy. So thank you.